Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, the top 6 holders of Tectonic token are actually holding 93% of Tectonic. If they can at least agree to burn some of their holding, believe it, this coin can burn about 250 trillion coins of Tectonic. Now, Tectonic still have about 500 trillion coins. Now, burning 250 trillion coins is possible. That is if the top holders can decide to sacrifice, can decide to burn some of their holding. Now, they can do that actually, of course, in 7 days. It's possible. And or if Tectonic token developers can decide to burn the remaining supply of Tectonic token, even if they can burn half of the remaining supply of Tectonic token, I believe is going to help Tectonic token to destroy and burn a lot of coins. 500 trillion coins is a lot of coins, and we need to burn out these coins in order to really gain more support, more rights, and to give Tectonic token the balance it needs. And I believe if the top holders can really support, this is going to help Tectonic token to really increase in price. 93% being held in the hands of just 6 holders. You can see that these 6 holders are the one controlling this coin. Unlike Shiba Doge, I love that because just about 7 or 8% is being held in the hands of the top 10. So you can see it's very difficult for 1 person or 2 person to pull out and then to affect that coin. But for Tectonic token, 6 holders holding 93%, and remember, the most among these 6 holders, I think the developers are also among these top holders. So if they can really come together to really support this coin by burning some of their holding, I think it will really help Tectonic token to really increase in price. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.